Visible actually. Now you are visible. That's great.
Okay. So, ma'am, tell me, so how are you doing today?
Yes, I am doing great and sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, actually today's my boring has been is going down. So that is why I was busy in that. So that is why I'm not connected on the time. So sorry for the inconvenience. Now I
Okay,
will
no.
tell about yes, yes, yes. So
Yeah.
I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking me. Yeah, I can understand. No worries, ma'am, I can say. Okay, so I think we have not connected before. So, would you like to say
Yeah, we are
something
meeting.
about yourself?
Yes,
As you know,
yes,
we are meeting very first time. So, can you give
yes,
me a
yes.
brief introduction about yourself?
Thank you so much. As you know, my name is Preeti. I'm
Mm-hmm.
a mother of two kids as well. I will talk about my studies. So I have completed MBA. Previously, I was working as a financial advisor, but now I'm not working. I also giving a spoken classes nowadays, as well as I'm also running my YouTube channel. That is pretty
Wow.
much about me, I would say.
Wow. I
Yeah.
think you are a teacher.
Yeah, now
Wow.
you can say like I'm a tutor of the English spoker. When I start to learn this language, simultaneously like within a 2 months, I also giving a classes. I got the students some from my YouTube from the references. So I think this is opportunity for me. So I was thinking I have to restart somewhere my journey like as a home because if you want to do something by home, so like I think a tutor or teacher like is a best option for a female person.
Yes, yes. Yeah, 100%. Yeah,
What
so do
about
you
you?
want me to introduce myself?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, so as you can see, my name is Shanwas. I hail from India. My state is Uttar Pradesh, district Jaunpur, but currently I am speaking with you from Saudi Arabia, where I work as a driver. At the same time, I am working and improving my communication skills. As per my qualification, so I have just completed 10th grade. Apart from that, so these days I am learning English and I am trying to connect with YouTuber like you. So that's pretty much about myself, I can say.
That's great. Great to know
Yeah, so
hear about
ma'am,
you.
yeah, so
Yeah,
ma'am, I hope like this conversation would be great for audience because I have prepared some question for this conversation.
definitely. It's
Okay.
interesting for me, I would say. Yeah,
Okay,
go
so
ahead.
as you told me like you are a teacher. So first of all,
Yeah.
tell me like what kind of methods do you use to improve your communication skills?
Okay, definitely I will tell. So, like, sir, actually depend on the person by person. What is the level of them? Some people like they are starting to learn this language from the scratch level. Like they don't know the basic sentences also how to make up basic sentences.
Yes,
So
yes.
we have to try to start to them with the small words or sentences. Like we have to try to start with the two words. You have
Hmm.
to try to speak out the two words like whatever in your surrounding, like we can talk about the tap,
Hmm.
comb your hair. In that way you have to try to speak out. So I just
Yes.
tell to them, and first we start with the grammatical part, but I will not go for the vast grammar. I will say you have to learn the basic grammar, present,
Yes.
past, future. So I will try
Yeah.
to express them and try to say them. You have to try to make it the sentences also, so you understand better how to make the sentences.
Hmm.
After they understand the how to make the sentences, then I say to them, you have to try to speak out the small sentences, like we can take an example of any object, like this is the phone,
Hmm.
right?
Yes,
So
yes.
how to speak out about that, right? So you
Yes.
have to think about that, like this is the phone, this is there is
Yeah.
the green cover
Cover.
like that, and here is the
Yes.
black screen, and
Yes.
here is the one camera. So that way you have to try to speak out. So I tell to
Yes.
them, you have to try to speak out, and that way they have to start to speaking the part. And
Yes.
second thing, first thing is that we have to cover up that, and who know that language, who knows that language, but they are not able to speak this language. For able to speaking this language, I will try to make them try to speak them. So for speaking them, I just give the pictures. There is no required to go for the basic part. We have to just 2 or 3 days I will cover up all the basic grammar part. then I move on the topic like that. It's topic, it means like we are just giving the objective, sometimes
Yes.
topics,
Hmm.
sometimes their stories, their life. First, we start with the life related, because
Yes.
when you start to learn this language with yourself, with your life, with your family, with your relatives, then you understand and you have to try to express well. Because if we are moving, jumping on directly the topic, so they don't
Mm.
know, they don't understand what they have
Mm.
to say, because
Yes.
sometimes we don't have a knowledge also. But about our life, about our family, about our relatives, we know well, right? So you
Yes.
can easily express your thought and you can think easily and you have to express your thought. So that is the great way to start to speaking part. So I will try to teach them in that way.
Wow. I can say wonderful answer. I can say. Wow. Like you are speaking so quite well. You are a literally
Thank you. It's
amazing speaker. I can say.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. I think it's a appreciation for me. Now I am also learning, still learning this language. I think this is the never-ending journey. It's a ocean,
Yes.
because if you want to learn, so you have to grasp all the thing. Now
Yes.
I'm also having in that kind of situation. So when I got a new words, I try to use incorporate that word in my communication. So that way I also learned that language,
Yes.
because
Yeah.
I want to
Yeah.
become an advanced level. That's why.
Yes, ma'am. I can say there is no duration. You have to touch in this language every single day, right? Yeah.
Right.
So, like, may I know, ma'am, like, when did you start your spoken journey? Like, how many years and how many months did you start?
Okay, I started my journey about 5 months only.
Oh
From
my
5 months, I
goodness.
am a consistent in this journey. So everyone listen that they heard that like how you learn within a 5 months, but they don't know about behind of the journey. How I put my efforts. So I put lots of efforts for learning this language. I am a consistent on this language, I would say, because I'm not waste my single day as well, single
Oh
hours also,
my.
I would say. So
Oh
whenever
my
I got a
gosh.
time, I try to listen, try to speaking. That way I try, like I got an opportunity, someone is mailed me, so like I got an opportunity to having a session with you. So I don't miss any kind of opportunity if someone wants to be have a session. So that way I also learn from other people, how they are speaking, how they are using
Hmm.
new words. So whatever they are using, I try to speak out. That is the great way to learn this language.
Yes, 100%. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I will not believe, like, within 5 months, you improved a lot. That's the insane, I can say. Really. Like
Thank you.
I have observed like lots of people they are making excuses. They don't want to practice. They can listen, they can read book, but when it comes to speaking part, they like feel stuck somewhere. So I have
Right.
observed, right? So
Mhm.
because they have fear of judgment. They are like
Yeah.
they feel like what if my grammar is not perfect? So this
Yes.
kind of like things stop them to speak, right?
Absolutely correct.
Yeah,
You hit the
and
nail.
yeah, as you told me, like it will long journey process, right?
Yeah.
So
Sir, it's no, sorry for interrupt you. It's not a long journey. It's depend on person by person, how they
yes,
are using this language, how much time they are giving, and how they are using continuously, because consistency is matter. If you are
yes,
not
yes, yes,
consistent, so definitely you will not be a fluent or advanced speaker. Now I am working on my advanced level, so whatever the new advanced word, I try to use that advanced word in my communication, so that way I try to be a advanced in future.
yeah, yeah. Consistency plays vital role in this language, I can say, because consistency is the real key to success. Yeah. Yeah, like it happens to me like whenever I try to connect with advanced speaker with advanced YouTuber, so at that time I feel awkward. I don't know why. I forget everything. My mind goes blank. I don't know why.
It's
You
happened
know,
with everyone.
yeah. And see, like I am able to articulate my thought correct way, but when it comes to speak specific any topic, that time
Hmm.
I forget everything, man. Like I forget everything. My mind goes blank. What to say next. I don't know. So can you give me like
Okay.
some tips and some ideas because you have lots of experience
Absolutely.
really. I appreciate your English. You are speaking amazing English, I can say.
Thank you so much. I think it's great for me. Like I'm also motivated from you, I would say, because someone inspired me. Like you have to learn this language within a 5 month, and you are doing great. So that is make me some kind of blissfulness. And I was
Yes.
thinking, okay, I'm doing great. I have to work on my skills more and more, so that I will become advanced. So I will
Yeah.
give the tips about that, like why people are fumbling and about the topic when they are getting the topic and they are fumbling. What is the reason behind of that? So first thing is that you don't have a knowledge of the topic.
Yes.
So first
100%.
you have to grasp the knowledge. If you are going somewhere, like if you are going for any group conversation, if you are going for any topic for having a conversation with someone, so that time you have to try to read it out about little bit. If
Mm.
you go for the reading, then you get the words and you get the knowledge also. So first you have to do. Second thing, when you reading, like sometimes you get the spontaneous topic. You
Mm.
are going for interview purpose, like we tell about the who are going for the interview, and they are getting the topic, instant topic, but they don't know how to say about that, right? And
Yes.
what we have to say, they are always stuck in there. So what they have to do, they have to take a topic, like we can take example of the technology, right? So
Mm.
like company has given to them, like you have to talk about the technology, right? So you have to find the technology surrounding words. It's ais, computer, and uh, excel, many more
Mm.
things there,
Yeah.
right? Excel, powerpoint, power excel, and ms excel. And you can use the technology. It's robot is also coming nowadays, and
Yes.
people are using the technology. So what is the pros and cons of that, and why technology is important? Without technology we are not using the technology, so where we are lacking. So that
Mm.
way you have to think, right?
Yes. Yes.
So for thinking ability you have to increase it. So you do one thing, you have to take a notepad or whatever in your mind. Like if you
Mm-hmm.
don't have any notepad, you do
Okay.
one thing, you just think about the 10 words, 5 to 10 words in your mind
Okay.
about the technology. Like
Mm.
you have to take a computer. I already tell computer, ais, robot.
Mm. Yes.
What is the pros and cons? If
Mm.
technology is having, so we are doing great in our company or everything you can do. And technology give a vital role for everyone, because if you are
Yes.
going for any technology, so we can reduce our time also working, reduce the working
Yes.
hour you can
Mm.
reduce also by the
Mm.
help of technology. If you are not using the technology, so how will you do your work in a little bit time, right? So
Yes.
that way you have to try to express, and you have to find to at least find out 5 to 10 keywords. Then you have to express well. Don't think about too much what
Ye-
other people are doing. And when you are going for the group conversations, so you have to do one thing also. You have to observe to other people also how they are speaking and what they are using the new words. So
Mm.
when you got the words and speaking, and so definitely you will got the ideas also. You can put in your own thoughts, or you can
Yes.
narrate in your thought. That is
Yeah.
the great way to speaking about the topic.
Yeah. Great answer,
So
ma'am. Like I will.
five keywords you also use. First is
Mm.
the why it's important,
Mm.
where is important, what is the use. If you
Mm.
are not using, so what is the pros? If you are using, so what is the cons? So five keywords you are already getting. If you are not getting the surrounding words, so you can tell about that.
Wow, ma'am. Wonderful answer. I can say, yeah, I will definitely do it. Yeah. So, ma'am, like I'm going to ask you another question. Okay. So, may I know like what motivates you to come to YouTube?
Okay, it's about to YouTube journey. So when I start to learn this language, simultaneously I started my YouTube channel, because I stumble so many YouTubers, they are creating their YouTube channels. So
Yes.
I was thinking so long time back then period. That time I was thinking I have to create my YouTube channel, but I was bit confused which content and which niche I have to choose for creating the content, because I am from the financial background. So I have a knowledge of the business, everything I have a knowledge. But
Wow.
I'm a bit confused how to get the subscriber also.
Okay.
So that niche actually helped me a lot. Why? Because in that niche, like I'm already connecting with the co-learners, right?
Hmm.
So from the different platform. So I think this is the opportunity for me. If I tell to them, you can subscribe my channel. So definitely
Yes.
who are learning this language, definitely they will subscribe my channel, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that way I
100%.
was thinking, at least if I not achieve that level within a 1
Mm-hmm.
month or 2 months, but at least 1 or 2 year I will be achieve my subscriber
Definitely.
also, as well as I will got a
Mm.
viewers also. So
Yes,
that is why I
definitely.
created
100%.
my YouTube channel, and I will talk about to the how I motivate, how I inspire from whom. So I inspired from the Sunita's adventure. I think you heard,
Yes.
no? Many
Yes.
people
Yes.
knows
I know.
about her. So she also created her channel. So that time I was thinking how she creates, so I can also create, because this is the good way to improve yourself. Because when you create your channel, so you think like you have to be consistent on that, and you are getting the path as well. Like you can get the opportunity also by that. So that is why I created my channel. I was thinking, okay, I'm also already talking with someone on the other platform. So that is why I just record that session, and that session I will put on my YouTube channel, because there is not hard nut to crack for doing that kind of thing. So that is why I started to created my channel. I upload that session on my channel, but there is not difficult for me. That is why I
Mm.
started. And that time I don't know how to edit the part, how to do like so many things. I know the screen recording only. I can record the screen and I will put it on my YouTube channel. I don't know how to.
Mm. Mm.
That time I don't know also the what is the thumbnail. So
Okay.
I think like who are just like this, if mentioning there on the YouTube, that is the thumbnail. But yeah, like when we are in this journey, gradually I got to know like this is the
Mm-hmm.
thumbnail. You have to create the good thumbnail, then viewers also increases by that. But I'm not getting good viewers on that, because I'm creating the long video. So I think if you are creating a long video on your YouTube channel, nobody will watch your channel. First, you have to start to creating a shorts. If
Yes.
anyone is starting their own channel, so they have to starting to create a shorts
So,
video. Definitely, your viewers will be increases by that, because shorts video everyone can see easily. But if you go for the long, so algorithm also not work on your channel.
mm.
So first 3 to 4 months, I have seen, I observed that nobody's my channel is not going to increases the subscriber. Like whoever I'm saying, this is my channel, you can subscribe. So that way I got the subscriber. But now I observed that when I start to creating a short, so I got a more subscriber. Instead of that, long videos.
Mm.
But in long video, we have to put more effort. But that time I'm learning this language, so that is easy for me. That time I don't think about that. But nowadays I was thinking I have to create at least 2 to 3 shorts in my YouTube channel. So at least I'm getting 4 to 5 subscriber in a day. That
Oh,
is also the great. Otherwise,
yes.
I'm getting no subscriber in my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So that way I started my YouTube channel, and now I'm also inconsistent on this platform.
Wow. Okay. So how are you able to stay consistency? Because you have to do your household chores and simultaneously you have to work on yourself like you are learning English. Oh my goodness. That is incredible, I can say.
Okay.
Okay, so may I know, ma'am, like what kind of difficulties do you face when you first started speaking English?
Okay, first speaking. So initially, actually, I'm connected with the co-learner. So when I was going in the group, that time
Hmm.
I'm fumbling. I was always fumbling how to say. I try to speak, but I don't afraid and don't scary about to the other people. I was thinking about myself, because I
Hmm.
have to learn this language. And second thing, when I start to uploading the video on my YouTube channel, that time I was not thinking about to the other people, what they will think. I'm uploading the video, how I'm speaking. I know I learn
Hmm.
this language. So
Yes.
I just think about myself. I have to start to learn this language. So I don't think about to the other people what they were thinking. Sometimes it's happened with me also whenever I go for the group conversation. That time I observe to other speaker how they are speaking and they are speaking well. So that time I was thinking, okay, I'm not speaking well, but yeah, I will try to speak. I try to listen to other how they are speaking and what they are using, and I try to listen some conversational videos. So I got the ideas also from there. I got collect some vocab also. When I listen to others speaker, I try to listen their vocab, what their vocabulary they are using. So I just jot it down. I collect
Hmm.
at least 2,000 vocab on my
Oh my
Notepad.
goodness.
So that I start to speaking the journey. Continuously I'm speaking. At least 3 to 4 hours I'm speaking initially.
Hmm. Yeah, I can see you are so confident. Honestly, ma'am, 100% I
I
can
don't
say.
know, but actually, I think nobody can observe their self, like they are speaking well or not. If you are speaking in front of other, then
Hmm.
other people can observe easily, like you are speaking well or not. So, but I'm
Yes.
always thinking I'm also the learner. I'm still learning this language. I am trying to putting my whole efforts. So nowadays I'm not easy using the idioms also. I know so many idioms, but I
Okay.
forget it too while having a conversation. Why? Because it's not familiar with me. So whenever I'm going for the conversation, that time I always forget. So I was
Hmm.
thinking, I was how to incorporate that habit so I can use the idioms also in my communication.
Hmm. Okay, so may I know like how do you remember like your vocabulary while conversation?
Actually, first thing, what I'm doing for learning the new vocabs, I do one thing initially when I start to begin my journey. That time I go for the chat GTP and say to them, you just use that 5 words, new words,
Mm-hmm.
and create a story. So whatever the story they will create, I try to read it out and I
Hmm.
understand what they want to say. What is the
Hmm.
meaning of that? So I understand. Then I will think about that,
Hmm.
what they have said and what is the story behind of that. So I will think, then I got the words also, whatever the words they are using, but it's not come one go on that word on your tongue. But when you like you read it, that time you understand that word, what is the meaning of that. But while having a conversation you always forget it. So
Yes,
when you are
immediately.
listening to other people, like I also listen to other podcast and other
Hmm.
one, so that
Mm-hmm.
time I understand, I know the word because I know
Hmm.
I already read that word. So it's easy to recognize that word, what is the meaning of that. So someone using that word, then I understand how to use that word. And so 2 or 3 times when I listen that word to other one, then third or fourth time, it's automatically come on my tongue. We have to
Yes.
use that word. It's automatically. There is no
Hmm.
need to force our tongue or mind. You have to use that word. It's automatically come out from our tongue.
Yes. Yeah, because why am I asking like this question? Because I have lots of vocabulary in my notebook, but when it comes to using them, like I can't use them effortlessly. So that's why I asked that question. Okay, wonderful. Okay.
But you have to try to use the stories, because I think everything is learning by the story is the very
Yes.
effortless thing,
Yeah,
because I
that is
also
the
use that
best.
thing.
Best. Yeah, sometimes I read like a story.
But try to listen a lot. When you
Hmm.
listen with someone na, then
Yeah.
automatically you understand they are using that word.
You.
So
Yeah.
4 to 5 times when you listen the same word, then next time automatically come on your tongue. You have to use that
Yes,
word.
yeah. Yeah, listening practice plays vital role in this language. I can say you can't avoid like listening practice, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have experience like of teacher. Okay, so like ma'am, may I know like should we hire any tutor for learning English? Because what I believe there are multiple ways, you
Right.
can use and improve your English, right? You can
Yes.
use ChatGPT, you can use like YouTube, you can use Gemini. So may I know
Right.
like from your side, should we like hire any tutor for learning English or not? Because
I think
see,
yeah,
because
yeah, go ahead.
like teacher can only guide you, right? But
Absolutely
you
correct.
have to push yourself forward, right? So tell me.
Yes. So, like, I would say, like, who are the learning this language from the scratch?
Yes.
Definitely, they should go for the tutor, because
Mm.
you should take a guidance from that. How to
Yes.
speak and what is the grammar. Sometimes people don't know what is the right grammar and how
Yes.
to
Yes.
use. So some people just go for the vast grammar for learning
Mm.
this language. But
Yes.
I think you are learning this language, so don't go for the vast grammar. You have to try to go for the basic grammar. Then you have to try to speaking part and
Yes.
listening part. Both part is mandatory for everyone who are learning this language. Second thing, who knows this language, but they are not able to speak.
Yes.
So sometimes nowadays many YouTubers, they are creating their own videos. They are creating. I also giving some tips and tricks also on my YouTube channel. So like who are learning this language, they don't know how to how to learn this language. So they can go through the YouTubers also. They also uploading the English Yari sessions also in their channel.
Yes,
So
yes,
who have taken the session from the English Yari, so they are also uploading. So you can get the guidance from there also. There is
yes,
no need if you are not affording the money. So you can do one thing: you go through the YouTube channel and get it out from the knowledge, and try to
yes,
incorporate that knowledge on your communication and
yes,
your learning path. So that is the great way. And if you can afford, some
yes,
people like they can afford the amount and they can go, because some people they want that. But I think I consider like who want to learn this language in a early time, like within a 2 or 3 months.
yes.
So
Mm-hmm.
definitely they should go for the tutor, because they will
Mm-hmm.
really help you, because they
Yes,
have get the experience of that, how
yes,
to, because they have tried lots of methods for learning this language, right? So
yes,
whatever the experience, like I would say about me, like I learned this language, so many methods I use. So
mm,
definitely whatever the methods I used, definitely I will try to give that methods to our students, so they also learn this language. And some are learning this language by themselves, they are not taking any classes or like that. So they have to go for the YouTube channel, other many YouTubers, so you can get the guidance from there, but you have to put the more efforts and more time consuming process, right?
mm,
So for if you want to like if you are working somewhere, you don't have a time, so definitely you should go for the classes. They will give the right guidance to you, how to
yes.
improve your skill within a 3 months. But you within a 3 months you can speak out, but you will be not a police speaker,
Become.
like advanced speaker, or like
Yes,
a
yes,
it's a good speaker, proficient speaker. For become a
yes, yes,
proficient speaker, you should give at least 1 year,
yes.
because
100%.
you can't I can't you can't cover up all the things like grammar part, pronunciation part, fluency level. How will you cover in 3 months? So you
No,
have to
no.
work on that consistently. But in a 3 months you will be able to speak your thoughts, express your thought in a easiest way. That is why people are using taking the classes, because by the taking by with the help of classes, you will get the guidance, right guidance, because you will get the navigation from them. But if you
Yes.
are doing by yourself, so you have to like I put my whole efforts, but I
Mm,
have a time, so that is why I put my efforts. But who don't have a time, so how will
yes,
they get to learn this language? So they have to go for the classes,
yes.
otherwise there is no need to go for classes.
I completely agree with you. Within 3 months, you can go like an intermediate level, right?
Yes.
Mm. Okay, so I'm like, do you have any questions for me?
Okay.
You can ask me.
Yes. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity, I would say. So I would like to ask about like you are from India, but
Yes.
you moving to the other country. So what was your journey about that? How you moved there, and why did you think you should go there and you will be immigrant there, and you are settled down there, or you will be back in India again?
No, I will be back in India, like my country, I can say. So I would say like I came here in 2023. So earlier I was working in India. So because of lack of salary, so that's why I moved to Saudi Arabia. So my main purpose was like lack of salary. So like in India, like I was getting like sufficient salary, not like 20K. So right now I am getting good package. So I am so happy with my job and my journey is going great so far. I guess, and I am so happy with my job. My boss is so kind, so they are very approachable. They are always ready to help me. So I love this job. That's why. And why am I improving this language? Because what I believe, like if you are good at English, then you can get good jobs and good opportunities, right, in future.
Right.
Because English opens many doors and many opportunities. And we must learn this language because English has become mandatory for everyone, right? So
Yes.
we must learn this language. So these days I am trying to learn this language. I can say I am
Definitely,
not.
you are a speaker. You are a good speaker. You are expressing your thought. Na? I would say to everyone like who are learning this language, if you are expressing your thought, it means you are a good speaker. You don't think about to others, what other like sometimes it's happen also with me whenever I'm having a session with other YouTubers and they have a great speaker. So they are using a very advanced level vocabulary and they are using some good idioms also. but I'm not able to using the idiom. I'm using very simple language always. So I was thinking I have to try to use that idioms also, so that I will be become advanced. Because sometimes
Yes.
it's kind of inferiority complex, it's happen, I think, with me or not, as well as me, like everyone is saying about that. Whenever I have having a session with other co-learners or YouTuber, they have a good advanced speaker, that time I'm fumbling. Initially I was fumbling, but I was thinking nowadays, no, okay, there is no need to fumbling, and you have to start to speaking, because
Mm.
you are a speaker, you have to try to express your thought. Why we
Yes.
are coming here? For expressing our thought, we are for understanding to each other. So that is
Mm.
why we are here, right?
Yes, yes, 100%. Yeah, I completely resonate with you. Yeah. Okay. So my last question is, so
Yes.
how can someone practice like if they don't have any partner to speak with?
Okay. So first thing is that, like nowadays we all knows many application in Play Store. You go through
Yes,
that, so nobody can say like I don't have a partner. But
yes,
some families, like a female person, they are saying, okay, why you are talking on that? But everyone understanding nowadays, they know that like you are learning this language. That's why they are using this platform, right? First thing.
mm,
Second
mm,
thing, if you don't have an environment, so for creating the environment, you do one
mm,
thing. If you are watching TV, if you are watching mobile, so do one thing. You just go through the only English
mm,
content. You just feed the English content. Because when
yes,
you are feeding the English content, then you understand the language, and your
yes,
ear will be trained, because if you are not understanding the language, so how to speak? So first thing is that you have to try to understand. For
yeah,
understanding, you have to try to watch a English content only. So you just
yes,
avoid the Hindi content. Like if you are watching Hindi, like I would say about me, so
yes.
from 5 months I'm not watching Hindi movie. I
Wow.
just watch only English. I just convert myself in English. So why?
Yeah.
Because I want to learn this language. So you have to stick yourself. You have to watch only English content. First thing you have to do. Second thing, if you are not getting the environment, so do one
Mm,
thing. You can take your camera. So whatever
mm,
you listen, you have to
mm,
try to narrate on your camera. So that way
yes,
you boost your confidence as well when you are
yes.
taking your camera. So that time you after recording the session,
Mm,
after recording your video, after
mm-hmm.
that you check it. You
Yes.
can observe yourself where
Yeah.
you mistaken, what is the
Mm,
lacking point, where you are missing, so you have to cover up that next time. So that is the
yes.
great way. Initially, like I think everyone like who are the learning this language, so at least 1 or 2 minute video they have to create, because initially I'm also doing the same thing when I start to learn this language. So that time I take my camera,
Mm-hmm.
mobile camera. I try to whatever I listen any story. So I just try to use the camera and try to speak out, narrate on
Mm,
my words. But I'm
yeah.
also fumbling that time. So, but yeah, when you are using that technique is helpful for very helpful for them, like who are
Mm,
learning this language. Because if you are using, it means you are narrating your thoughts in a easiest way. Initially, it will take like it's kind of you are shaking, your voice is not clear. You was thinking how I'm speaking, but moreover the time you understand how you are speaking, you will be a great speaker in future.
yes, yes, 100%. Like everyone has started like from zero, I can say, and slowly they
Yes.
become good speaker, right? Yeah, with
Yes.
consistency. But if you don't follow your consistency, like I believe, like you will not become a good speaker, right? So
Definitely, you should be
consistency is
consistent, because
yes, and
when you are using this language, you are not using this language at least 5 days. So you
mm,
can check yourself. You are fumbling
yes,
always. You
yes,
are
yes,
thinking whatever the new word you learned. So that will
yes,
not recognize also. You also forget it. I also forget it sometimes. Whenever I'm
yes,
not using this language, so I was thinking, okay, I'm forgetting my all words. But I
mm,
think we should be consistent at least 1 year in this language if you are learning this language. If you are not
yeah,
consistent for 1 year, so definitely you will be losing your fluency, your pronunciation, everything you will be losing, because you are not
mm,
getting the new things also. That is why.
yeah. Yeah, 100%, ma'am. I resonate with you. Thank you for answering all the question. I never expected like that conversation. I really enjoy talking to you, and yeah, I have
Yeah,
repeated
yeah.
like so many times. You are speaking really good English, I can say. Okay.
Thank you. It's kind words from your side. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. So do you have a YouTube channel? I didn't forget to ask you.
I
I
have
forget
a
to ask
small,
you.
yeah, I have a small YouTube channel. So, like over there, I can say I have less subscribers. So I would say like I
It's
didn't
okay.
tell anyone because of less subscriber. But
Don't worry,
yeah,
don't worry about that. Everyone is the starting with the less subscriber, but you
yes,
have
yes,
a at least subscriber, na? You can't say like I have a zero subscriber. At least
yes,
you have
yes,
subscriber. It means you are a YouTuber.
yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am. So have a great day, ma'am.